Substack versus email list tools. What's the difference? People usually ask this when they're trying to figure out which direction to go. They're looking at Substack, then looking at email tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, and thinking, which one am I supposed to use? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Email list tools are built to optimize. They're great when you already know what you're selling, and you want funnels, automation, and campaigns to do the work. Substack is more like a laboratory. It's built for thinking out loud, testing ideas, and explaining what you know without needing a complex ad strategy. And there's another big difference: how people actually find you. Substack is a network. People can discover your writing inside the platform or through other writers' recommendations. Traditional email tools are more like islands. They're powerful, but you have to build the bridge yourself through social media, search, or ads. So this isn't really about better or worse. It's about what you need right now. If you're still clarifying your message, your voice, or building an audience, Substack gives you a low-friction place to experiment, build trust, and get visible as you go. And the part people forget, this isn't permanent. You can move your list later. So instead of asking, which platform is best forever? A better question is, what helps me start and keep going without turning this into a marketing project? And if you want help getting Substack started, that's something I do. All right, talk to you again soon.